Hey.
Hey.
रिश्तेदार के घर आई हो क्या? बड़ी क्यूट हो। हमें आइसक्रीम बहुत पसंद है। शुक्रिया। फ्रिज वहाँ है।
Hey.
Hey. So, finally, Akhil Rao.
Hey, Noyona, Nayana, I don't want to get this wrong.
It's no you.
Okay, hey, Noyona. Should we sit?
Absolutely. Let's sit.
So, what do you have? Coffee, green tea, juice?
How about a whiskey sour?
Oh, bold.
Life's short, you see.
You sure have a way of making a point, but without...
Without making a point, right?
I was just about to not finish that because a smart-ass interviewee is a turn-off, I'm sure. You know, guys trying to be too cool.
Occupational hazard, you see.
Well, I left my smart-ass chip at home, so I guess all you have is just me.
Which looks good enough to me.
Waiter, whiskey sour for the lady, just water for me.
You definitely need some water.
आधे घंटे में मुझे ऑफिस वापस जाना है।
आधा घंटा मतलब बहुत कुछ हो सकता है।
So how did you guys stand out? Is casual sex something you knew really well, is it?
I mean, sex is also human behavior, right? And in today's times, we just want to hook up without much else.
Go on. I hear you.